frogs into Rubik's Cube. Keep twisting and turning, becoming more confused. And you just sometimes feel like you've been used and abused. You're not visibly black and blue, but on the inside, and does your love life leave you feeling kind of amused? You played all the games and you're no longer abused. Count the flames when it snows. Can you feel the heat of only the afterglows? Count the flames when it snows.
Music from Just Jack on 89.3 The Current. Carmen in Maple Plain requested that one. Imagine it's pretty nasty out there. And cool stuff there from Just Jack from our Honeydew list. Some music from CeeLo as well. That's Bright Lights, Bigger City. Love that stuff from the new Lady Killer album. Portishead's Wandering Star. And a little Iron and Wine too from the new album Kiss Each Other Clean. And that's Walking Far From Home. Something you don't want to do on a day like today. Blizzard conditions and nasty temperatures and a whole bunch of snow. 12 to 16 is what they're saying at this point in time. And that would make it, I do believe, the biggest blizzard we've had since the infamous Halloween blizzard of 91. So we'll keep you posted on what's going on. There is no bus service now, as that's postponed around the Twin Cities, and lots of other stuff. It looks like the airport is closed down for the short term as well. Find more specifics on all the news going down at nprnewsq.org. I should also mention that programming is supported by Wicks & Jewelers, located in Bloomington, carriers of fine jewelry, timepieces like Rolex, Patek Philippe, Cartier, Panerai, and more. Wicks & Jewelers, 99th at Lyndale, Bloomington, open every day through Christmas. Programming also supported by the Minnesota State Fair Foundation, a nonprofit that preserves and improves State Fair buildings, grounds, and educational experiences. You can become a friend of the fair at msffoundation.org. Here's some new sounds. It's that of the Extra Lens, a new side project for John Darnielle, and a track from the Undercard album, and John from the Mountain Goats. This is Program Cell Death on 89.3 The Current.
We meet up like a loose-knit congregation, or like spies who need
still small voice within us doesn't seem to do us any